tirar os periféricos aí.
Hey guys, I'm Fausto from Sideways Experience with SideX Japan, and in 2024 we have so many things to tell you guys, so many new plans for this year. So first, we have this new shop here. With the shop is still, we're still getting ready. We still need to paint the floor. Workshop is huge, so we can fit almost 50 cars inside here. We're still gonna get so many things. We also have a back shop there with more lighting, with more like brands on the wall, and that's where we're gonna shooting all the cars working. We already have one car there getting ready for a competition next month, and right now we're just working FD season, working on school cars. We get here on the back shop, so this shop is like a showroom plus workshop plus media place, and like it's a good place to make our videos. And we actually working on the car. We just take the gearbox out, look in the clutch, because we send the car to the other island, so we don't want to take a risk the car break down over there. We don't have the support we have here. We have few friends there, but we don't know how it's gonna work. So it's gonna be a big event, 50 drivers, international drivers, 2 days driving, so we want to take easy just to be able to have fun and maybe bring a trophy home. So the car, we take gearbox out, the clutch doesn't look that great. I think if we're driving Ebisu, I'll be using the same one. Well, only thing I'm worried about is just the battles, because when you're driving the battles, you use a lot of clutch and it's a lot of stress for the car. And I never want to lose a battle or a competition because I don't want to use the clutch. So that's my thing. You can see that's 15, 2 rounds plus practice days we have, and the clutch is almost done. And we don't have the issue. So we work in the cars, we get a free check, a full check over, checking the clutch, change all the fluids.
First car S15, and take everything off for check everything for series, and open diff, open gearbox, open engine, check everything for what's happened after 1 year. No have problem engine, no have problem gearbox and diff, but every year I open and check, and this now start for this year. 2 rounds, and these middle rounds have drift days, many drift days, not just 2 rounds.
Yeah, just 2 rounds FD. It still look good. Come on, bro. Look this in the wall. Yeah. Auction.
Yeah, problem disc. I think disc. Just change disc.
Formula drift, S15.
You see?
Clutch.
Same happened before.
Yeah. The piece is coming off. This is bad.
Yeah, all the time same. Look this one.
Oh shit. Hello. Oh, should look this side. And you can see, like Steve said, we drove 2 rounds, but we also drove EDS, testing the cars, and it's a lot of stress for the car every time you go out.
So the plan is to take this car down to Okinawa and drive the comp down there. A whole bunch of internationals are coming down there, so we're going to try to get this up and running, do a turbo swap on it because it's a bit laggy, and tune it and tidy up a whole bunch of things on it. This is our first look at the car. We bought this car from a good friend, Rob at Big D's Coating, Cheeseburger Racing. So this is his old car, so we bought this and now we're going to go through it, button it all up, wheel line it, try to get, you know, an understanding of the car, because this will be the first time the car's ever been driven by us. We've never driven it ourselves. We've seen it in action, but that's about it. This is a rear mount turbo VQ35 GE350Z with FDF Mega Mantis lock kit. It's got a GT3076 mounted down the back, which we're going to actually go to a slightly smaller size because it is mounted at the back and it's a bit laggy. Other than that, we're just going to go through it and make sure it's all good.
I think we should be testing at the end of the week, hopefully. Testing and tuning. I got my friend JP Tuning in Australia. He's going to log in and tune this thing for us. Yeah, right now I just got to pull the intake plenum off it because I don't actually know what injectors are in it. So we got to get that so we can actually tune it properly, because the injector data is just non-existent in the tune. Other than that, I think we're pretty on schedule to get this thing testing. No expectations just yet. I'll have expectations when I actually get to drive it and feel the car out. But yeah, hopefully we can, it all goes good, it tunes up great, it doesn't break, and we win. And at this time, when I go up against Fausto, we'll be in, I would say, equal cars. So, as long as I beat Fausto, I'm happy.
Also, we're going to have new brands working with us this year, and we're going to show you guys on the other videos probably after we get everything done. Tire sponsor, clutch, oil, fuel, so many things, you know. So I don't want to finish on this video, so make sure you keep watching our channel, and that's just a start for us. And we just like to introduce you guys more about every day, what we do, what we can offer, and what's happening actually behind all the pictures and videos we post for you guys.